Some animals don't follow the rules of nature. They break them. And number 1 shouldn't even be possible. Number 3, basilisk lizard. It can run on water. Yes, actually run on water. Moving so fast, it doesn't sink. Number 2, tardigrade. This tiny creature can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, even space. Almost impossible to kill. Number 1, immortal jellyfish. This creature can reverse its life cycle and become young again, meaning it can potentially live forever. So tell me, are these animals real? Or is nature hiding something?